issued a tornado warning for
What the heck?
southwestern Jackson County in southern Illinois, east central Perry County in southeastern Missouri until 5:30 p.m. At 5:01 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Altenburg, or 12 miles southwest of Murfreesboro, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado and ping-pong ball-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Graham Tower around 5:05 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Gorham. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Doubleheader.
The National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Randolph County in southwestern Illinois until 6 p.m. At 5:03 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 6 miles southeast of Evansville, or 7 miles northwest of Chester, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Chester, Sparta, Bremen, Steelerville, Percy, Evansville, Eden, Preston, Blair, Ellis Grove, New Palestine, Walsh, and Shiloh Hill. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing damaging winds and large hail. At 4 p.m. at Lambert Field,